Today will be a quick tutorial on this kind of follow-through animation in Figma without making too many frames or too many variants. So let's get started. So let's say you want to animate these notification cards. So let me just delete this screen, and it's a good way to start with the end result. So this is the final result which I want to see on the screen. So let's take a copy out of this by pressing Alt or Option and dragging a copy out of it. Now let me just turn off the clip content for some time for both the frames, for the screen and for the notification panel as well. So if I see the structure here, I have the body frame. Inside that I have all these notification card. Now remember, you can't do this kind of animation using auto layout. So I have removed auto layout before doing this. So let's select all these notification cards and move them in the -x-axis direction. So while moving, if you also face such kind of problem that your elements are getting out of the parent frame, so you can hold space as well while dragging the elements, so it will not push the elements out of its parent frame. Now the trick is to move each of the elements in the negative direction, something like this, so that once you start using Smart Animate, this element will come first, this will come second, and other elements will follow along. So let me just show you in the prototype window. So let's create a quick prototype. Select this first screen, go to the prototype panel and add an interaction. You can either add a click, or for now we are using after delay. So what we are saying, after delay, navigate this to I have a lot of screens here, so let me just drag a noodle out of it. So select the screen and drag this plus icon and make a connection here, and instead of on click, let's say after delay. We are saying after delay of 1000 milliseconds, that means after 1 second. So Smart Animate. So remember, to make such kind of animations we use Smart Animate, and make sure the number of elements and the name of the layers are same, and select Smart Animate, and you can use gentle or quick. You can experiment with these inbuilt presets, animation presets. Right now we'll be using gentle, and let's see the effect. So let's go to the design window and turn on clip content, and let's select this frame. Before doing that, let's add a flow starting point as well, so that we can press R in the prototype window and see the design again and again for testing purpose. Select this, hit play. So I'm pressing R to see the animation, and once you're satisfied with the timing and effect, you can do this in rest of the elements as well, wherever you want to use such kind of follow through animation. So let me just show you one more way which you can use this. So let's move clip content for both the frames, and let's just move everything to 0 axis, and we can move this down, and let's just start adding more space between the elements, and let's select everything and reduce the opacity to 0. So now if you see, let me press R in the prototype window, So you can notice the elements are moving by follow through each other. You can even test out different animation presets. Let's see how the bouncy one looks. Maybe too fast. Let's increase the time and see. Maybe too much. So let's stick to the slow, quick, or gentle, whatever suits your needs. So this is it. It was a quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.